right, fifth graders, this is end of the year activity day 1. So today and tomorrow, I'm going to be posting end of the year activities that I would normally have us do in class, but since we're online, we're kind of changing it up and doing it online a little bit. So for day 1 activities, what you're going to do is you have a couple of slides here, and I'll explain it for you. The first slide is a letter that I want you guys to type up to my class next year. So it says, "Good luck, dear new 5th grader." You have 2 slides to write your information on. So you have this slide. If you're out of room, you can continue your letter onto here. You don't have to use both pages, but they're there in case you need them. What I want you to do is I want you to write a letter to the new 5th graders on what they can expect this year to be like. What is something that you did not do in 5th grade that you wish you did? So maybe take better math notes, maybe get caught up on your book reports a little more, maybe explain to them what the 40 book challenge is, how flexible seats go, weekly check-ins, anything that you think a new 5th grader would need to know at the beginning of the school year. What do you wish you would have known at the beginning of the school year? So I want you to type a letter here to the new 5th graders. And then our third slide is you have end of the school year writing prompts. So you have a total of 9 writing prompts here. I'd like you to complete at least 3 of them. 3. Any 3 you want. I don't care which 3 you complete, but I'd like you to complete at least 3. And I'd like each writing prompt to be about 1 paragraph. So I'm asking you to write 3 paragraphs is what I'm asking you to do. I'll explain each one of the writing prompts. Again, pick any 3 that you want. The first one is a book I love this year. You need to describe a character from a favorite book and write how you and the character are similar and different. Okay. Again, just 1 paragraph on that one if you choose to do that one. BFF, favorite activities to do with friends. I want you to write about a fun adventure you had this year with one of your friends. 1 paragraph. That can be both in school or out of school. Teacher, write a letter to me telling me what your favorite activity was for this year. I had a lot more fun activities planned for you guys. We didn't have a chance to do them because of the shutdown. A funny memory. Write an exaggerated story based on a funny event that happened this school year. Okay. This next one is just free write. Any free write you wish to have. Maybe you can write about the coronavirus here in this one. Another prompt you can choose is write about your hopes and dreams for next school year. What's something that you are hoping for next school year? Okay. Oops, wrong slide. There we go. A effort, write about an accomplishment you had this year that took the most effort. Maybe that was completing all your Zern lessons. Maybe that was, completing so many genres of your 40 book challenge. Maybe it was getting all of your math notes done. Maybe it was not having any missing assignments, getting all A's and B's. What is an effort that you worked really hard on this year? Okay. Other one is cafeteria food. Using all 5 senses, sound, touch, taste, sight, smell. Describe the best cafeteria food you ate this year. And last but not least, the last prompt you can choose from is 4 ways I shined this year. Write about your most shining moment this year. Maybe that was helping out a classmate, always logging into a computer. Maybe that was getting your job done every day. Maybe it was perfect attendance. Maybe it was never having a late library book. Just 4 ways you shined this school year. Now, you're going to notice after this slide, I have a bunch of slides, but each one of these slides corresponds or connects to one of your writing prompts up here on this slide. So let's say you chose to write on an area that I showed the most effort. You're going to scroll down to where that is on here. And let's see, where's it at? Let me find it. An area with the most effort. Maybe it didn't get copy and pasted. Well, that's going to be embarrassing on my end. Maybe, oh, right here. So you're going to scroll down to this slide. So this is the writing prompt on the accomplishments that you worked hardest on. So you have 2 slides that you can write on. Again, you don't have to use up 2 slides. If you want to choose a really fun font that takes up a lot of pages here, go ahead and do that. And let's say another writing prompt you chose was the teacher. I'd love for you guys to write this one because I love to know what you guys enjoyed. You're going to scroll down till you find that writing prompt, which is right here. And then you're going to write your response here. Okay? When you're all done, please turn this in to me. I'd love to see your writing. So again, you are writing a letter to a new 5th grade student, and you are choosing 3 writing prompts to work on. When you're all done, turn it in. All right, guys, take care.